Hello everyone, Scott Bear, Mortgage Pro. I'm part of your real estate success team here inside Realty Pro. I'm your in-house mortgage lender and I'm here to make you successful. Look everyone, the rates right now are absolutely unbelievable. They're unparalleled in decades. The 30-year fixed rate is at 4.25. Did you hear me? 4.25. That's insane. I can't believe the rates are that low. 15-year fixed, 4%. 5/1 ARM, 3.5. 7/1 ARM, 3.75. FHA and VA are both at 4.375, and USDA is at 4.5. Now come on, if that doesn't get you excited, you might want to check your pulse. Okay? Look, here at Mortgage Pro, you're working with a branch of American Pacific Mortgage. And American Pacific Mortgage is the largest lending network on the West Coast. We have 30+ banks and lenders to choose from, such as GMAC, B of A, Wells Fargo, MetLife, and many others. What this means to you is we're able to cross-reference rates and programs with multiple lenders to obtain great rates and terms for your clients, as opposed to working with one loan officer that works for a bank that has that bank's products and rates at their disposal. If you need a buyer pre-qualified for financing, I can qualify them in 5-10 minutes on the phone and they'll be well on their way to making a purchase or a sale. So we'll talk to you soon. Have a great weekend. It's going to be a wonderful weekend. Perfect temperatures, extremely comfortable. Make it successful, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.